Hi students, welcome to Social Studies online classes. Dear 6th class students, today we are going to start our Social Studies first chapter, reading and making maps. You may have seen several types of maps, but what maps tells us what maps gives us about what information that you cannot predict. So let's see in this chapter, reading and making maps. How do we have to read a map? There are how many types of maps and what maps tell us what about and what do we can understand by the different types of maps and basically in your classroom, in the atlas book, in the different places, in the different areas. You may see the several types of the maps, but what maps tells us what. So what is what in seeing the maps, in observing the maps, what information we can understand by the maps that you do. Suppose you may see the district map. What we can see in the district map? District map tells us about the various constituencies where they are located, the mandals where they are located, in each mandal the villages where they are located, and how many in each mandal how many villages are located. This information we can study on the district political map. So, the subsequences in the continuation, we can see the maps. How can we study maps? How we have to understand maps? And not only maps, but also in this chapter we have to study about the different places, even physically, like physical features. Like example, let me tell you an example physical maps. Political maps, which means political. What is a political map? If I ask you a question, what is a political map? You have to describe in your answer. Political maps shows as the states, districts, villages. A political map of a country shows as the countries of the world. A political map of a state shows as the districts of a state. The things we can study in the political maps. What do you mean by physical maps? What do you mean by physical maps? We shall learn by the physical maps, mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, islands, coastal plains. These are the all things we can see in the physical maps. So the situation comes to conclude and understand the reading and making maps lesson tells us and gives us the information about the maps making and reading. So suppose example, let me tell you one more thing which was also included in this lesson. Sketch maps. What is the sketch map? What is a sketch map? Let me give you one example. In our lesson, example is given by Mallika, who belongs to Venkatapuram, Laila, who belongs to Adila. That example was given in our textbook that you have to read to understand. But I will give you another example. Suppose I had to go to my friend's marriage, but I don't know the venue of the function hall. I was at bus stand and I made phone call to my friend. Now he was given one information on the phone call, so you have to come. You first take a right turn from the bus stand where you will find a post office, then go straight, then take second turn which is beside of Chalachakra. Then he told, go straight, there you will find a police station. There you will find a police station. Take a right turn from the police station. Then you will find a function hall. He told me like that to arrive the function hall. So in that way, suppose example he told it was the bus stand. The sketch map is given in your textbook also in this chapter that you have to see what sketch map is given in the between discussion of Laila and Malika, where Malika need to visit the Laila's house, either Laila need to visit the Malika's house. So at the time the example was given that you can see. Suppose example he told me where I was at bus stand and he told you take a right turn from the bus stand, there you will find a post office, then go straight, take left turn, there you will find a police station. From the police station, the fourth building is the function hall. What does it mean? What did I told you? What did I tell you just now? That is the sketch map. That is the sketch map. Suppose it was the bus stand. From bus stand I have to go to straight, then I have to take left and then I will find post office, and from there I have to go to straight, then I will find the police station. From the police station, fourth building is a function hall. What does it mean? This is called sketch map. So in maps variations we can find and in maps variations we can find the various types of the maps which can also use as information about reaching and arriving to the destination. That everything we can understand by the sketch map. So like suppose the lorry drivers if they don't know to reach one state to another state, they will get the route map. To the route map, they follow the route map by the symbols, then they will arrive to the destination. So this was the route map. So what does vertical maps tells us? I told you. What does vertical maps tells us? I told you. And what is a sketch? You can also draw one sketch to reach your friend house. Suppose while you reaching, when you don't know your friend's house, at that time while you going to your friend's house, how many turns, how many signs, how many offices, how many marks you can find that you take a white paper and draw a sketch map to reach your friend's house. Or suppose otherwise take an example, a long place where you want to go. Now there was the different technologically we can find there was the GPS, there was the Google mapping, the people are following that by observing the sites, what signals will be given, what symbols will be showing in the Google map. By the Google map people are reaching to the destination where they want to go. But in earlier times, there was no Google Chrome, there was no Google mapping, the people do not have to visit to the different places where they have to reach. So, the people in the previous times were used to take sketch maps, but present also physical maps shows as the information about the mountains, plains, plateaus, and deserts, islands, coastal plains, etc. Political maps show as the country's political maps show as the world political maps show as about the countries. The state political maps show as states. The district political map shows as constituencies, mandals, villages. So let me tell you, directions are also one of the part. So what is what direction? Basically to understand north, south, east, west. These are the directions which you can find one figure regarding of the directions which can show like this and to follow. And during the directions, sun rises in which direction, we can predict that by using the directions only. So Tamil Nadu is a state which is located in which side of India's map? The south. Tamil Nadu is a state which is located in India map completely, which lies in the southern state. Jammu and Kashmir is the state which is located completely, which lies in the complete part of the direction is northern part. Rajasthan, sorry, Gujarat, western part. Arunachal Pradesh, eastern part. Rajasthan also most probably located in the western part only. So these are the directions show as information about to reach in which directions. Suppose that in this video where you are watching me, and in this video I am walking west side. My behind east and my right. What is my right? North. And my left? South. These are the directions you have to remind when the directions will be asked in the any map pointings that you have to predict. Jammu and Kashmir is located in which side of the India map, and Gujarat, Rajasthan is located in which side of the India map. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana is located in the which side, which part of the? These are the southern states completely. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. These are the southern states. So the directions you have to remember by observing a map. So practically you have to take atlas, or you download, or you take one India's political map, India's physical map, any kind of map you have to take, and you predict and you point out the directions in which direction which state is located. And next another thing is very important as is the distance of the bridges. So there was the 5 lamp poles were given in your chapter to predict, to identify the distance. There were the 6 poles. The distance between one pole to another pole is 100 meters. So there are the 6 poles on a bridge, and the distance between one pole to another pole is 100 meters, which means the 6 poles are occupying the place is how much? 500 meters. So identifying this into the maps, entering into the different kinds of the observations, like even in the political maps, even in the physical maps, even in the sketch maps, what distance is taking, that is important. Suppose if you want to go from Pochera to Hyderabad, what distance it is taking? In the observation of the route map, in the observation of the political map, you can take the distance which can be to reach that place, how much a distance is taking. For to understand that, here the bridge example was given in your lesson. So this chapter tells us the complete information, the understanding and simplifying the simple maths. So reminder, you are having 6th class, 7th class and 9th class. You are having the same relevant chapters in the subsequences, reading and making maths, reading and making different kinds of maths, and making and analysis of the maths which you will study in the further classes. So this chapter tells us just the simplification of the identification of the maps. How can you predict, how can you identify a distinct map, and you can also write example in the directions. You take your house, where is your house? In north side, whose house is located, and south side, whose house is located, west side and east side, whose house is located. So like that also you can predict the directions. Here basically the maps, basic background of the maps, the basic information of the maps, there are things we can study in this chapter. Thank you. I hope you understand the lesson concept which regarding information which was mentioned on board and the practical and reading and making of the maps. So you go look at into the first chapter, study the improve your learning questions asked in between of the lesson that you have to note down into your favorites. And if you get any doubts regarding of this chapter, you can make phone call to the consultant subject teacher. Thank you.